Hey guys, my name is Lucas and welcome back to the second video in just a couple of days. Today we're going to talk about, as you can see on the screen, this new Cosmos sample finder from Waves Audio. This video is not sponsored or anything, but let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so here we are in the Cosmos sample finder from Waves, which is an amazing plugin. I've just downloaded it, so I haven't really checked it out too much yet. So I just thought I wanted to share my first experience with you guys. So as you can see right here, it's a very simple and really neat looking plugin to find all of your samples in one spot. I have previously talked about the ADSR sample manager and Kontakt sample manager. But this one, whoa, it just blows my mind, you know, it's like the other ones, it's free, but this one also has this sample map built into it where you can sort your samples based on what kind of sample and what kind of instrument, what kind of sound dynamics. As you can see here, you can do so much: brightness, space, saturation, dynamics, instrument. You can sort your samples. This is like the XLM XO plugin, but this is like, you know, free. It's amazing. And other than that, it also comes with 2,500 free samples, as you can see right here. It says 105,927, but that is also my samples. I've just loaded in my samples. They are still loading right here, as you can see. But let's just take a quick look. So the first thing that you see when you get into the plugin is this. So you have this really nice, colorful looking sample manager, and you can instantly hear the sounds. You can also turn the volume up or down if you want to. Let me just put it to half the full volume. And again, all of these samples that I'm playing right now comes with the sample manager for free. I will also link the sample manager and all of that in the description down below. And again, this is not sponsored. I really just wanted to talk about this because this is a huge game changer. But let's just try to see what we've got. Let's try to find some drum samples, because I feel like a lot of people use drum samples the most, because they can use MIDI files for all kinds of other sounds. Let's just try to hear some of this stuff. So here we have a snare. We also have a tom. Let's just try to put up the volume a tiny bit. We have some percussions, some dubstep. Okay, and we can also sort it out if we only want loops or one-shots, which is great for picking out drums, because sometimes you want a hi-hat loop, sometimes you just want a single clap or a single kick. Let's just try to listen to some of these. And again, all of these are free within the Cosmos plugin. We can also search for certain things. Let's just try to search kick. We don't even have to press enter. We just need to type what we need and it will find it in an instant. And I gotta say, this is the first time I hear these samples, and they are actually quite okay. Especially this kick. I actually like this. So if I put this into FL Studio, I would maybe trim the tail of the kick a little bit. But you can also drag these samples, you know, I can drag them directly out of the plugin into my FL Studio music program or Ableton or whatever you're using. This is amazing, guys. So let's try to take a look at the different views. So we have this other more compact view. I think I'm going to use this a lot more. You can still play your samples directly from this part right here. But we also have this, again, amazing, it's free, this map right here. So let's say we have picked out drum samples and we have picked instrument. Okay, so the map is sorting out the drum samples based on what kind of instrument. So let's try to take a listen to this part right here. So these are kick drums. You can also press these arrows, I guess. So it will also find the samples based on those arrows. We also have, okay, so all of these are toms, and again, I think we can, what is this? We can also favorite this if we wanted to. We can also add this to some sort of playlist, whatever that is. What do we have here? What is that? Let's try to press it. Oh, okay, so we can make our own collection. So let's try to call this drums. So this is our drums collection. Okay, so let's try to find something else. Okay, so here we have snares. So we can add this. Okay, nice. Maybe we can find the collection over here. Oh yeah, here we have it. Okay, so as you can see, we can turn on the collections, and we have our tom and we have our snare. That's really neat, but I just want to remove this for now. I really like that. Okay, so this map is just amazing, but also it works with all sorts of samples. So now everything is turned on. This is amazing. So as you can see, I have a lot of samples right here. Let me try to turn on my own samples. And let me just, as you can see, it's still rendering or processing my samples, so we won't be able to see all of them. But let's try to find the drums only from my samples. So right now this is the loaded drums. I just want to say this map is amazing and I'm definitely going to use it. Let's try to jump back to this list view right here. What do we have? We have also here, we have the instruments. Okay, so here in the list view, we can actually search. I also think we can do this. Yeah, okay, so we can actually search for what kind of instrument, vocal, drums, keys, effects we want. Which is really neat. Okay, effects. We can actually also change whatever effect we want. Maybe we want. Okay, we choose a impact. That's really nice. So yeah, okay, so if I choose percussion, it will only show me percussion, and then if I press percussion again, it will go out of the percussion. Let's try to take a look at this tags section. Okay, so here we also have tags. I guess they are kind of similar to this tagline up here. Let's try to change something called noise. Then we have all of these noise samples. Maybe this is not noise, but this is more noise to me. But yeah, overall I really like this plugin, the Cosmos Sample Finder from Waves. Not sponsored, but I just wanted to show it off because I'm going to use this so much, especially this map right here. I'm going to love this one. But that was it for now. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like if you like this video, it will help me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you. Goodbye.